My name is Joshua Trapper Jones. I am the owner of Midwest Bird Control. You can visit midwestbirdcontrol.com to find out more information. What you are seeing is the second of two canopies that we have netted off near Indianapolis, Indiana. These are the last of the nets that are being installed out of 38 total nets. Each canopy on this job is 64,000 square feet. That is 760 feet by 85 feet. The reason for the smaller nets on these canopies is so we can control the tightness of the nets, keeping away any drooping and maintaining an even and clean looking installation. All lights and other equipment that require access behind the netting have zippers installed underneath to allow the net to be opened and to access to perform maintenance. Then they can be zipped back up to continue keeping birds from having access behind the nets. This netting is heavy duty, 3/4 inch black Bird Net 2000 from Bird B Gone. The material is UV protected polyethylene knotted netting. It has ISO 1806 and 9001 protocol attested. It consists of 6 strands of polyethylene UV treated twine. Each strand is 12/100 thick. The filaments are twisted and knotted for ultimate strength and longevity. It is pressure stretched and tightened. It does not conduct electricity. It is rot and waterproof. The material has a 10-year industry guarantee and a 1-year installation warranty from us at Midwest Bird Control. Extended warranties are available. The netting is flame resistant and has a 270-degree Fahrenheit melting point. It is also sub-zero stable down to minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Midwest Bird Control are authorized installers of Bird B Gone products. The benefits of using netting is that it is effective against all bird species. It's available in 3 colors, black, stone, and white. On this job we use black. It's a low profile installation system. It is specified on historical properties, commercial properties as the one you're seeing here, and provides a long-term permanent solution. It's also nearly invisible unless it's up close. It kind of presents a shadow throughout the canopy. The guys that were on this job are Sam Martin, Caleb Bowers, Caleb Morley, Daniel Howison, Bryce Robinson, Thomas Klein, and Andrew Barber. Those guys are rock stars on this job, and they are very much appreciated. Midwest Bird Control's goal is to give glory to God in all we do. This means we are building long-lasting relationships to provide excellent customer care and results. We understand with our 20 years of combined experience, each job is unique and requires a customized plan for every situation. I am Joshua Trapper Jones. I have been in the bird control business since 2003. In the winter of 2004, I and my father John Jones installed our first net supplied by Bird B Gone. Since then, I have been a part of installing over 500,000 square feet of bird net. I'm also a connection guy in the company, the manager and the builder of our website. I also own and operate Trapper's Wildlife Control with my wife. We are a residential service company. When we're not controlling birds, bats, moles, and voles, I am spending time with my family. My wife Tanya of 22.5 years, my son Aiden of 16 years, and my son Micah at 12.5 years. I also lead a men's ministry called menrisingup.com, and I'm heavily involved in Edge Venture men's and couples ministries. Also enjoy fishing, hunting, trapping, and Iowa Hawkeye football and basketball. My life verse out of the Bible is Psalm 73:26, which says, "My heart and my flesh may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and portion forever." I want to thank you for watching this video of the service we just did for the Amazon in Indianapolis, Indiana, and FCL Builders, which is an awesome company to work for. And let us know if we can help you in the future with any bird control problems. Midwest Bird Control. Big or small, we'll net it all. Visit us at midwestbirdcontrol.com.